Hi, I'm Zilla, and here are my guesses to what I think from basing on your fridge and the atmosphere and that sort of stuff. I think you're 19 years old. I think you live somewhere in the Southwest, possibly Nevada or Southern California. And I think you're taken. I think you have a boyfriend, or you're in a relationship of some type. My clues are, with your age, you live with someone else. Now, who it is for sure, it could be your sister, it could be your brother, it could be your mother, it could be your father, I don't know. I personally think it's a serious boyfriend. With where you live, you have like olives and like salsa in your fridge. No one in the Southwest can go without salsa not in their fridge. I know this because I lived in the Southwest. Also the olives. I don't know, that could be just me. And then I think you're taken because I don't know, I'm just playing guess on that one. Those are my guesses. Oh, wait, no. I did have a reason why you were okay. Sorry, hold on. You have stuff for making pasta and pizza, Italian food, romantic food. I mean, when you think about it, all romantic scenes usually take place in some sort of Italian restaurant. I mean, there are some of the greatest movie scenes where it involves pasta. Those are my guesses. Yeah. Bye.